Hello, this is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. A Delhi court has issued summons to prominent YouTuber Dhruv Rathi in connection with a defamation lawsuit initiated by Suresh Karamshi Nakua, a spokesperson for the Mumbai unit of Bharatiya Janata Party. The summons was issued by District Judge Gunjan Gupta of the Saket Court on July 19. In order to understand why was Dhruv Rathi summoned and why was a defamation case filed against him, let's discuss the whole story in detail. Let's get right into it. A spokesperson for the Mumbai unit of BJP, Suresh Karamshi Nakua, claimed that Rathi made bold and unsubstantiated claims in one of his videos uploaded on his YouTube channel. His lawsuit now seeks Rs 20 lakhs in damage, alleging that Rathi's comment in a video have caused significant harm to his reputation. In the video, Rathi repeatedly labelled Nakua as violent and abusive troll, a claim which Nakua has now strongly denied. According to reports from Bar and Bench, the suit read that defendant number 1 also engaged in committing habitual defamation, giving online threats, deteriorating fellow YouTubers' careers. By using his audience, which runs in over 23.3 million subscribers on YouTube and over 2.6 million followers over the X platform. The suit seeks to restrain Rathi from retweeting, posting or creating any content on YouTube or X Corp regarding Nakua. The court has not only summoned Rathi but also issued legal notices to Google LLC and X Corp, formerly known as Twitter, as parties were involved in dissemination of the allegedly defamatory content. The court order includes a notice to Rathi regarding Nakua's plea for interim relief, with the next hearing scheduled for August 6, 2024. Nakua's legal team, Advocate Raghav Avasthi and Mukesh Sharma, argued that Rathi's video has led to widespread condemnation and ridicule of Nakua, causing irreparable harm to both his personal and professional life. The lawsuit claims that Rathi's statements were baseless and made without any factual backing, intended to solely damage Nakua's reputation. YouTuber Dhruv Rathi actively posts video on his YouTube channel. Let's understand which of his videos have caused this trouble. The contentious video was uploaded on Rathi's YouTube channel on July 7, 2024 and titled My Reply to Godi YouTubers, Elvish Yadav, Dhruv Rathi. In the video, Rathi allegedly referred to Nakua as a part of group of violent and abusive trolls, supposedly hosted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his official residence. Nakua contends that these allegations were without merit and were made to deliberately tarnish his image. The legal suit emphasizes severe impact on Rathi's video, describing it as highly provocative and incendiary. It accuses Rathi of launching a deliberate campaign to undermine Nakua's integrity and reputation through unfounded insinuations. According to the suit, the video has planted seeds of suspicion, mistrust, affecting Nakua's standing in the society and causing lasting damage that extends beyond the realm of the video itself. The court has directed the summons to the Notice of Application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2 of the Civil Procedure Code to be served to defendants through all the available modes, including physical, electronic delivery by the next hearing date. The court's order allows the process to be expedited as requested. In his plea, Nakua insisted that Rathi's claims were made without any basis and were designed to hurt his reputation unjustly. The lawsuit seeks to prevent Rathi from making any further defamatory statements about Nakua on social media platforms including YouTube and Twitter. The upcoming court hearing on August 6 is expected to shed more light on the allegations and legal arguments from both sides. As this legal battle unfolds, it will be closely watched by both the political observers and the social media community. Do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments. Until then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.